Welcome to Webit Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to recover permanently deleted files from your PC. To recover files successfully, we should immediately stop using the PC so that no other information is written in the location where our deleted files were located. Now let's start the process. First of all, search for Recuva. Then go to ccleaner.com. Then click on download free version. Then click on free download. Click on download. After the download complete, open the downloaded file. Then click on install. The setup has completed. Let's close the window. Now let's delete some files to test the software. Let's select the files and click Shift and Delete to permanently delete the files. Now let's run Recuva. Then click on Next. Here we can select the file types we want to recover. For now, we will select all files and click on Next. Now let's select the location from where our files has been deleted. If you are not sure of the location, select the first option which says I am not sure. If the files has been deleted from recycle bin, choose the option which says in the recycle bin. In our case, we know the location, so we will select the option which says in a specific location. Then click on Browse and select the location from where the files has been lost. Now click on Next. If we are not able to recover the files with normal procedure, we can select this option which says Enable Deep Scan. But this can take longer time. For now, we will simply click on Start. When the scan completes, we get the window with scan results. Here we can see the files are completely safe. Now let's select the discovered files and click on Recover. We should be careful while selecting the location for recovery. We should not select the same drive from which the files were lost from, as selecting the same drive may overwrite the lost file location. For now, we will recover the files to desktop by creating a new folder. Now the operation has been completed. Let's close the window and check the recovered files. We have successfully recovered the lost files. In this way, you can recover your lost files from your PC. Thank you for watching the video. We hope the video was helpful. If you have any queries, comments or suggestions, please let us know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.